Hey, do you need wallpaper? Go to wallpaperboulevard.com. Give them my name, tell them Spencer Colgan sent you, and they'll be sure to give you 10% off at checkout. Check it out. Tell them I said hello. They have a tremendous selection. Don't shop anywhere else until you've checked out www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Beautiful wall covering, isn't it? I'm in a coffee shop in Central Florida, and I couldn't help but to notice what looked like tapestry on the wall, only to find out when I got closer that its wall covering seams failed. How would you fix this? Let me tell you how I would go about fixing this. I would first lift the seams and wet them with a spray bottle, saturating the fibers that you're looking at in there, which will make the edges of the wall covering soft. And then I would wait until the wall covering that I wet dried about 70%, where it's just damp in here. The water that you spray on this will fill the fibers of the backing of the wall covering so that the fibers will be saturated so that it doesn't draw the paste unduly, excessively into the fibers. If it's like taking a drink, if the fibers are full, it will let the paste do its work in sticking to the wall, which has to be dry, and then filling against the backing so that it sticks. If the fibers are dry, you might get resistance from the seam laying down. So I would wet those seams with water and saturate the backing. Let it dry up, not fully, and then put extreme tack from Roman inside of the seam, and then lay it down with a soft, damp microfiber cloth, because you can easily scuff the seams and make them discolor. That's how I would fix that. How about you? What would you do?